Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Lenovo Tab E7 tablet and you need to do a hard reset on it, but you don't have the password and so the screen is locked and you can't access it. We can bypass that very easily and delete the screen lock, but it will also wipe everything else off the tablet. But if you're ready to do that, we can go ahead and do it. It's pretty easy to do. All you need to do is, with the tablet turned off, you're going to press the power button for a couple seconds, and then you're going to let go and press the volume up and volume down buttons simultaneously until the tablet turns on. You'll see it will turn on into a no command screen. If it doesn't turn on to a no command screen, you'll need to try it again. You got to get the timing just right on the buttons. Once you get the timing, the no command screen, you will press the power button and the volume up button as shown here. You'll just hit it once, and from there it will open up the recovery screen. Using the volume buttons, you can toggle down to wipe data, factory reset, and hit the power button to select it. That will open up this confirmation screen. You can toggle down to factory data reset and hit the power button to confirm, understanding that there's no going back. Once you hit that power button, everything will be wiped off of the tablet. Once you do that, you can just go ahead and hit the reboot system now, and the tablet will turn off and turn back on like it was when it came out of the box.